There. Welcome to my channel Simple Easy Python. Today I am going to discuss the problems from the week 0 of indoor that is indoor OS from CS50's Introduction to Programming with Python. Before I start the video, I would like to emphasize that this video is only for the educational purposes and in no way I encourage you to copy and paste the code that is given into this video and pass the examination. Instead, I would urge you all to take an idea from this video and write your own code if you really want to be proficient in Python. That is going to help you guys a lot in the future. Just take an idea. And second thing is that, okay, one code can be written in multiple ways. So that is another thing. Coming back to the first point that, okay, uh, just try to write your own code. Thirdly, since I have already cleared this examination, as you can see it over here, I am not going to write the code into the code space. Rather, I am going to use Visual Studio Code. But okay, I am going to uh, run all the test cases that is given over here. Yeah, so let us jump start into it. Happy coding. Let's start coding. S- So this is all about. Let us start from the here. So here it is the indoor voice. What it says is that writing in all caps is like yelling. It is like that you are shouting on to somebody. So that is why, okay, it is advised that okay, you should write the indoor voice sometimes entirely into the lower case. So create a file called indoor.py, implement a program in Python that prompts the user for an input and then outputs the same into the lower case. And whatever punctuation and white spaces are given into the input by the user, that should not change, that will remain unchanged. And here are the hints that are given over here. If you want, then you can click onto this and you can go and check out the Python documentation further, like okay, whatever is given over here. So let us start. So I am going to here my Visual Studio Code and let me create a file called indoor.py. And okay, so okay, I have gone into indoor.py, rather a directory. So let's code indoor.py here. Yeah. So first of all, let us prompt the user for some message. So message is equal to okay. If you check the hints that is given over here, although it is not asking, it is not prompting the user for any with any particular sentence, but okay, uh, let's prompt the user for something, some sentence, so that okay, user can understand what they have, if something is required from them or not. So let's jump over here. Message is equal to, let's say, print what are you thinking, and a space here. And then we can write here, sorry, not print here. Here it should be input. My mistake. Apologies. So we are going to message and there is a method called lower. So this is it. So let's try to run this code. So what are you thinking? So first thing that we need to check over here is typing by hello. So in all caps. So let us see hello. You see now hello is all in lowercase. Next is this is CS50. So this is a good example again here because it has got multiple words and it has got some white spaces in between. So let us try with it. So this is CS, oops, what did I write? CS50. Again, you can see here white spaces are still there and everything is back into the lowercase. Another one is that only 50. Let's try this one out as well. 50. It remains 50. Now let us try over here. Hello world, because it again this is the best example that I got over here because it has got a punctuation mark and a white space both. So let us try to run it. So hello world. Again, here you see. And as I said earlier, let me clear the screen over here. And as I said earlier, yeah, this one program can be implemented in multiple ways. So again, let me make it comment out here. Yeah, we can simply write something like this: input, message input, what are you thinking, and in we put here lower. So earlier we were converting into the lowercase into the next line. So now we are doing it into the first line. And let us save it and run it again, this program. So hello uh, world. Here you see it is again working. Let us try one more example, that is this is CS50. Again you see it is working over here. In fact, you can do even it in one sentence, in one line rather. So let us see. We do not give anything, or we, okay, let us see like something like that. What are your thoughts? What are you thinking here? And then lower. So now everything is into one line. Let's run this one as well. Mm, And hello world. And you see, so as I was saying earlier that okay, one program can be written into multiple ways. So here I have shown you the three ways. So you can probably use any, just take an idea out of it and try to write your own program. If you find this video useful, please leave a like, share it with your friends and families, and just subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you very much.